More clouds and sun out from Lookout Mountain on this Tuesday, and that will be the case as we go through the afternoon. Wind will be the big story. By lunchtime, we'll be in the low 60s here in the Denver metro area, staying mild through this afternoon into the upper 50s, but it will be breezy across the metro area and the eastern plains with the strongest wind gusts across the northern foothills and high country. Temperatures well above normal today by a good 10 to 15 degrees. We'll top out in the upper 50s, low 60s across the Front Range, mild through 6 o'clock tonight in the low 50s. Cloud cover blankety in the Front Range and eastern plains. Some light snow showers on and off expected along and north of I-70. Those will continue on and off today, picking up tonight through early Wednesday morning. We could see a little bit of accumulation, but we're expecting to stay dry here in the Denver metro area. Real target will be across the northern mountains where we could pick up several inches of snow up in Steamboat. Today is a first alert weather day, though. The big weather story, strong gusty winds across the northern foothills and high country. And those winds will be strongest this morning and again this afternoon, where we could see gusts upwards of 90 miles an hour, especially across the foothills up into the northern mountains. It'll be breezy as well in places like Golden, Boulder, and Fort Collins, with gusts upwards of 60 to 70 miles an hour. The wind will continue tonight, finally relaxing after midnight, and then we're expecting some calmer conditions here in the city going into tomorrow, but the wind could pick up once again Wednesday night into Thursday, with breezy conditions once again in place. So a high wind warning is in place. Winds out of the northwest sustained between 35 and 50 miles per hour, with those gusts upwards of 90 miles an hour possible, mainly on the west side of town. So here in the metro area, we're looking at wind gusts between about 25 and 30 miles per hour, as well as out across the eastern plains. So it'll be breezy, but no warnings or watches are in place for the immediate Denver area. Temperatures today will be boosted because of the downsloping wind. We'll see 60s across the eastern plains, close to 70 degrees in Springfield. Up in the high country, 30s and 40s with 50 in Grand Junction. Here in Denver, 61 for a high. It'll be a mild day, but the wind making it feel a bit cooler out there. 59 in Lakewood with 62 in Arvada by this afternoon. Overnight, temperatures will fall into the 20s and 30s across the Denver metro area and eastern plains. We're looking at single digits in Gunnison, 26 in Aspen overnight with 28 in Vail and 30 in Steamboat. On the Super 7-day forecast, the mild weather continues. 58 degrees on Wednesday. More sunshine on tap, another dry day. That wind could pick up again Wednesday night into Thursday, and temperatures climb into the low 60s. By the end of the week, a little bit more cloud cover, 52 degrees, and then this weekend it stays mild with highs staying in the mid 50s.